parks, auditoriums, theatres, cafeteria, canteen, food plaza, a gymnasium, sports complex, banks, ATMs, hostels, etc. And you have a whole new address of academic excellence called CHARUSAT. Of course, the high-speed 100 Mbps Wi-Fi campus underlines our unmatched campus facilities. CHARUSAT's collaboration with the University of Alabama at Birmingham and the Northwick Park Institute of Medical Research, UK, provides global avenues for the students. The League of the Management comprises Mr. Surendra M. Patel, President, has shaped up the university with his visionary developmental expertise. Dr. M. C. Patel is an eminent academician whose direction leads the university towards excellence. Dr. B. G. Patel, Provost of the university, is rare combination of an academician and an administrator. Dr. M. I. Patel, an entrepreneur, researcher and writer whose vision has steered the institution to vibrant progress. Mr. Naginbhai M. Patel, a person of entrepreneurial spirit whose guidance leads to spurt the development. Dr. V. G. Patel, with his entrepreneurial knowledge, provides directions of growth. Shri Virendra S. Patel, USA-based businessman. Mr. H. T. Patel, an industrialist and philanthropist. Mr. Pankaj Patel, an industrialist and philanthropist, offering his expertise and impetus to move ahead. Mr. Devang Patel, an industrialist and philanthropist, has always provided a strong support in all exigencies. Mr. Manubhai Patel, prominent industrialist and generous philanthropist, brings his expertise of corporate management. Dr. Paresh Patel, a veteran doctor by profession, is rendering expertise to the university for venturing into healthcare sector. Mr. Hemal Patel, a leading entrepreneur, is providing global perspective to operations. The League of Management excels with the support of other eminent executives. Dr. R. H. Parekh, an expert of pharmaceutical technology. Dr. T. K. Chaudhary, a scientist. Dr. R. V. Upadhyay, a prominent physicist. Dr. Govind Dave, Principal, Indu Kaka Ipkowala Institute of Management. Dr. Amit Ganatra, Dean, Faculty of Technology and Engineering. Dr. Neeraj Shah, Principal, CSPIT. Dr. Atul Patel, Principal, CMPICA. Mr. Anil Sharma, Principal, MTIN. Dr. Bala Ganapati, Principal, CIP. Shri Vimal Patel, Honorable Director, MTIN. Mr. Devang Joshi, Registrar, are shaping the growth path of CHARUSAT. Panel of Advisors: Dr. S. P. Costa, a researcher and scientist. Professor S. G. Shah, Dr. S. M. Patel, Mr. Ashok R. Patel and Dr. A. M. Sheikh, veterans in professional education development. CHARUSAT has charted out a roadmap. CHARUSAT is poised to achieve the next level of growth by way of adding programs, institutions, buildings, laboratories, investment, faculty pool, publications, research and linkages with industry, society and institutions abroad. CHARUSAT is already on the spectacular growth journey and will soon join the elite league of top 20 universities in the country. Accomplishing the task envisioned in Vision document will translate into student strength swelling to over 7,000. And to get there, proposed capital outlay of 2,500 million rupees is being earmarked. It will be no wonder the name CHARUSAT will soon be the world-class university offering the world of quality education.
ચારુસેટમાં અમારું જે મિશન છે તે ગ્લોબલ લેવલનું શિક્ષણ આપવાનું છે. ખાસ કરીને આજની અને ભવિષ્યમાં ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીઝ, વેપાર, ઉદ્યોગની અંદર જે જરૂરિયાત છે, જે જ્ઞાનની જરૂરિયાત છે એ જ્ઞાન અહીં આપવા માટેનો પ્રયત્ન કરીએ છીએ. અમારું સિલેબસ પણ અમે એ પ્રમાણે ગોઠવ્યું છે અને શિક્ષણની સાથે એ જાતનું સંશોધન કરવા માટેનું પણ અહીંયા આગળ અમે R&D ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ ખોલ્યું છે.
Charotar University of Science and Technology. CHARUSAT. Education inspiring excellence.